How to get electronic proof of insurance in State Farm. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, electronic proof of insurance is a digital version of your insurance ID that you can access anytime. So, if you need the proof of your insurance in State Farm, then you're in the right place. So it is useful for instant access, convenience, and quick sharing. So open up your browser, go to statefarm.com and scroll down. And under quick actions, you can see get proof of insurance. Just tap on it. And then, as you can see, if you're at a dealership or anywhere you need to show proof of insurance, your current insurance card will typically get the job done. So your current State Farm policy automatically provides certain coverages for a new or replacement car for up to specified limited number of days after you take possession of the car. So you can just tap on get insurance ID card, and then you'll need to enter your credentials, your account details, and your active policy number. And then you can view the electronic proof instantly. You can even download it as a PDF or print it and save it. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.